Make money online in 2021 easily. In this video, I will show you an easy way to actually start making money from scratch. You don't need any previous experience, you don't need any skills, and you obviously don't need any money. You can start with as low as $0. What's great about today's method is the fact that you will be able to make money in a way that doesn't require much effort at all. It's as easy as typing one word, trust me. Hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get into the video. In today's video, we'll be using two websites, and the way we're gonna use both of them is what's going to get us paid. But before we get into the easy steps of the video, where are you watching us from? Comment down below saying which country you guys are located right now. In this video, I'll show you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this amazing income stream. So make sure to pay attention to every second of the video because I will drop some hidden tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maximize your earnings. And with that said, let's get right into it. Okay, so for the first website we need to look at right now is Fiverr. Now don't worry, like I said before, you do not need to have any prior experience and you will definitely start making money with this method if you watch the video until the end. So Fiverr, for those who don't know it already, is a freelancing website that allows people to buy and sell services over the internet in a vast marketplace. The platform is available for everyone in any country around the globe. They have payment methods like PayPal, bank transfer, Fiverr revenue card. Anyways, what we want to do here first is click on the search bar and type in logo design. And if you see right here, there are around 160,000 services for just this service alone. Look at these guys. They got hundreds and hundreds of orders and reviews. That means this is something that works. And if I go ahead and click on one of these gigs, for example, let's click on this one right here with lots of orders. We can see that not only has this person completed over 480 orders already, he also has 31 orders in queue. That's a minimum of $465 if all those orders are the lowest price. So let's see what this person has to offer. Basic package goes for $15 and they make you a logo with two concepts. The standard package sells for $30 for one logo and three concepts. And the premium package is apparently listed for $60 for one logo and four concepts. These prices are outrageous, considering the tool that I will be showing you later on, because I will show you exactly how you can make a professional looking logo in under 5 minutes. Going back to the sellers list for logo design, you can see that everyone has orders. So no matter how big the competition is, you will always get a customer to buy from you. So in the meanwhile, pause the video and go sign up before we carry on any further. Signing up to Fiverr should not take you any more than 1 minute. So once that's done, head over to your profile by clicking right here and then clicking on profile. This will take you to your profiles page, and what you want to do next is just create a gig for yourself saying that you will do logo design. Again, do not worry. I know that you have no design skills. That's why I'm going to show you a website that will make everything for you. So please just go ahead, take the time to create your gig, and then we can carry on with the video. And the quick tip for you to create your gig is to find someone that already has a gig, and then you can just copy and paste what they have on their gig, but make sure to change it a little bit to actually sound original. Now basically what we have done so far is we have created a service that we are providing to people. So that way, various customers, businesses, and entrepreneurs that need logos for their businesses can actually reach out to you and pay you to make them a logo. Now, we've done this on Fiverr because that is the biggest platform for freelancing right now, but keep in mind that there are other big websites where you can start selling this same service, and actually, it is a very good thing to have your service listed on so many freelancing websites, so go ahead and check out these websites that I'm gonna show you right now. There's freelancer.com, there's peopleperhour.com, and there's upwork.com. I really recommend that you guys go ahead to those websites, make an account, and then set up a service just like we did on Fiverr. That way, you will increase your chances of getting more customers and having more reach, which eventually means making more money. Now, with all that said and done, you're asking yourself, I'm worried I won't be doing a good job if I get an order. Well, believe me, in the next step of this tutorial, I will show you how easy it is to make a logo in literally less than 5 minutes. I will do it myself and show you how it's done without even trying that hard. So imagine if you actually, instead of putting in 5 minutes, you put in 30 minutes into making a good logo. But wait. Before I show you the next website, I'd like to remind you that we have more videos on this channel about how to make money online. The goal of our channel is to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream to reach financial freedom. I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos to ensure that each one of these methods works, so I would appreciate it if you guys go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back into the video. So for step number 2, we're going to go ahead to this website called Canva. Now, Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. The app includes templates for users to use. This platform is free, but they also have pricings. I'm gonna give you a gift because you watched the video up until this moment. I'm going to give you a pro license for Canva forever and for free. So if you look at the description of this video, you can see that the first link is an actual invite to a pro team. So go ahead, click on that first link in the description and you will have a pro license for free. And that's just to say thank you guys for watching until this point. Now, once we are here on Canva, let's see what we can do. On the top right side of your screen, let's click on Create Design. And obviously, we are interested in logos because that's the service we are providing today. So let's choose Logo from the drop-down menu. Click on it. This is going to take us to this page, which is the editor page of this platform. If you notice, at the left side of the screen, we have different tabs. We have templates, elements, uploads, photos, text, videos, background, and so much more. Now what you want to do is click on templates, and this will show us a bunch of templates that already exist. So let's imagine that I got my first order, right? And the customer told me, hey, my YouTube channel is called EarnPal. It's about making money online and I would love to get a good logo for it. First thing I need to do is decide which niche the customer's business is in. In this case, if it's EarnPal, then it's finance. So what I'm going to do is click on this search bar right here, and then I will type in either finance, money, or anything in between those two terms. Now, as you can see on my screen, I have lots of options to choose from, and these are ready-to-use logos. So let me just scroll down and look for something that I like, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I kinda like this one, so I'm gonna click on it. Now, we obviously can't just download it like this, right? We need to customize it, so let's start with the name. I'm going to click on the text and replace it with EarnPal. I don't need a second text, so I'm going to click on that one and then hit delete. The logo is actually looking fire already. Now, if you want to give it more effort, you can start by changing the colors. For example, let's just click on the background category on the left side and then choose the color pink. It looks horrible, looks very bad, and the customer will definitely give me a 1-star review if I give him this result. So let me just go ahead, tweak this a bit and make it look presentable. And there you go. This looks already so much better than how it was before as a template. Click on the 3 dots on the top right side of the screen and hit download. Now that you have downloaded the logo to your computer, all you have to do is go back to your order, send the finished product to your customer, and have a happy person give you a 5-star review. Like you have seen me do, this took me less than 5 minutes to make, and it didn't require me to be a professional design artist or anything. Canva made it so easy for me. So go ahead, click on the first link in the description to get your free premium license forever and start making mad money with this method. That brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on this channel. And don't forget to hit the like and leave a comment, and also please share this video with your friends because that supports us tremendously. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. As always, take care.